In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send code snippet in Teams. If you want your code to stay readable inside a chat, using the code snippet feature in Microsoft Teams is the best option. It helps preserve formatting, makes indentation easier to read, and gives the person receiving it a much cleaner message than pasting plain text directly into the chat box. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. From there, open the conversation where you want to share your code. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat, depending on who needs to see the snippet. Once you're in the correct chat, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. Beside the send icon, click the plus icon. This opens additional message tools and options that can help you format what you're about to send. After that, click on Show Formatting Options. This expands the message composer and gives you access to more advanced formatting tools. If you don't see all the options right away, give it a moment and look across the toolbar carefully. Next, click the code block icon. This is the feature that allows you to send code in a properly formatted block instead of as normal chat text. Using this tool is especially helpful when spacing and indentation matter, which is often the case with programming languages. When the language options appear, choose Python. Selecting the correct language can improve readability and may apply syntax highlighting, which makes your code easier for others to scan and understand. If you're specifically sharing Python code, this is the right choice here. Now paste your code into the code block area. Make sure the full snippet is included and that the indentation looks correct before you send it. This is a good moment to quickly review your code for any formatting issues, since pasted code can sometimes shift if it was copied from another source. Once everything looks right, hit send. Your code snippet will appear in the chat as a formatted block, making it much easier for others to read, copy, and review. That's all it takes to send a code snippet in Teams. This method is simple, professional, and much more effective than sending raw code as a plain message. If you share code often, getting used to this formatting tool can save time and avoid confusion in team conversations.